If you've got a 2007 to 18 JK Wrangler and still have the factory taillights and like the look of them, however they've been worn out over the years, then you're going to want to check out these OE-style replacement taillights offered right here at CJ Pony Parts. Now these come in either a pair or the left and right side. This is in case you've damaged one out on the trail. Today we're going to install the pair on our 2012 JK. As you can see, they're pretty dingy here, so this will really give it a nice refresh in the back end of it. Let's get started. The only two screws you have to remove on the factory taillight are going to be both of these inside screws. The outside holds together a clamp that doesn't actually attach to the body, so just pull these two out using a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to use a small impact here to make it a little bit quicker. Just grab those and pull them out. Make sure you keep them because you will be reusing them. Once those two screws are out, pull the taillight out towards you, and then disconnect the factory connection right here by pushing in and then pulling this inside section out. Now for this brand new OE-style taillight, all you've got to do is turn it around and plug that factory connection into the connection onto the back of the taillight. Listen for a snap once again, and you're good to go. This can be set onto the body. And then using the factory screws we just pulled out, we're going to reinstall them onto that inside section. Alright guys, so we finished up the passenger side. As you saw, the install is really simple. You only have to remove and reuse two factory screws. It can be done in literally about 2 minutes for each side. This is a perfect replacement if you've damaged one out on the trail, or for you older JK owners, 07, 08, and 09. This is gonna really clean it up and give you a nice crisp black look. It's gonna retain that factory look while giving you a brand new taillight. So these are available in a pair, or the left side, or just the right side. So whatever you need, we've got it right here at CJ's. And you can check out this as well as many other aftermarket taillight options right here at cjponyparts.com.